Step into a life of color and energy at the Hangout Starkville, where the ultimate university lifestyle awaits in vibrant Starkville. Choose from stunning ensuites or 3- and 4-bedroom apartments with cozy beds, suite study corners, spacious closets, AC plus heating, and private balconies to unwind. You can also enjoy an expertly equipped kitchen for your cooking escapades and easy laundry days with in-unit facilities for the win. Hustle in community workspaces with speedy Wi-Fi, then recharge at the gym, dive into the pool, or relax on the tanning beds. In the evenings, fire up the barbecue while shooting hoops on the basketball court or mingling in the clubhouse with pets welcome. Night patrol, controlled access, and secure on-site parking, safety, and convenience are always guaranteed here. Plus, Mississippi State University and McCool Hall University is just a sweet stroll away, keeping campus always within reach. Exploring the city is seamless too, with nearby buses ready like. Your unforgettable uni experience starts here, so book the Hangout Starkville via amberstudent.com today.